All right, let's take a look at what we did today with our trading. We are positive so far. Hopefully it'll stay that way. You can see right here on the daily chart, that's today right here, the green candle. It gapped up over yesterday's close, and I was looking for it to come down and fill the gap before anything else, and the 8 moving average is right there. So what happened was on the 2-minute chart, it tried a couple times to come down. Right here is the main time, and I just took a profit as fast as possible because it went all the way back up on this candle and then came down and tried again. And I said, you know what, let me try that. So we had a pretty good trade on that. And then I missed a lot of good trades. Simple as that. I never got in right here, which is an area to get in once it starts breaking up over the top of the 8 and the 2 and over the top of the 50. That seems to be bullish, but what we have checked the other time charts, and it looks like, at that time, you see the 5-minute chart over here. The 5-minute chart, you have everything going down, the 200, 100, and the 50, and then right here, it gets over the top of the 8 and the 20. So right here, blasting up like that in a downtrend, you just assume to fade it off. Same thing with the 15-minute chart. Downtrend, everything's downtrending right here in this area. So the up move right here was absolutely shocking and strong, and it did really good. But here, downtrend on the hourly chart as well in terms of today and yesterday. And we got an uptrend, and see, it's mixed, so it's hard to say, because you got the 50 and 8 all going up, the 100 going up. These three make an uptrend. But on the hourly chart, it's been drifting down here where the 8 crossed the 20, and then now they both dropped underneath the 50. So these three are what I go by, the 8, the 20, and the 50 in as far as the direction goes. So that would play into the idea over here with the day chart that it broke, and I think that it's just trapped in between the 8 moving average and this trend line coming down. So we had some opportunities, though. We still tried to go long a couple times, and we did okay. I just didn't hold it. Reason why I didn't hold it long here is because it had stretched out so far. I tried to short it and play it to the downside, which was a mistake here, and it didn't work. And then I finally went long again, and so we had a couple longs. I tried to short it here, and I got a short on it right here, and then a lot of over trading. Bought long here, got out on the spike, shorted right here, but ended up getting out too early. That was a nice drop down to the 50, so I did have that idea of shorting right here. And then we bought right here in the tip and went up, and bought and went up again. So those two trades were good. And I completely missed the bottom here. I could have at least given it a try. It's such a deep pullback, though. It's like the 50 starting to come down, the 8 and the 20 are going in this direction, right? And over here on the 5-minute chart, by the time that happens, it's dropped below the descending down 200 moving average. But it doesn't mean I couldn't have took a try at it, because the 50 crossed over the 100, right? And the 8 and the 20 are over the 50, so that itself is bullish. And I could have used a very narrow stop loss. I could have used this red candle as my stop loss, the first green candle to go over the red candles, and just use that, and that would have been really good if that worked. So those are the trades so far, and I did just take another trade right here, which I'm going to actually get out of.
Order filled.
And that was a good trade. It's breaking out of that trend line really strong, so I'll let it pull back and maybe try again. But those are the trades for NVDA. We are positive for the first time in 3 days. I'm glad for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.